Hello and welcome back to another video on Unpacked Technologies. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the GoPro Hero 13 Black action camera. This is the latest in the flagship Hero series that GoPro sells, and it's a really great action camera for a wide range of different activities. So let's get straight into it. Alright, so along with unboxing the GoPro today, I've also got the suction cup mount, which I bought along with this, so we'll give this a little unboxing as well in next week's video. That's one of the many accessories that GoPro sells for this camera, but we'll start with the Hero 13 Black first. So you can see on the front, we have the GoPro logo. It says 13 Black. It's got a picture of the action camera itself. And it also shows one of the new features with the optional HB series lenses that you can have with the ND filters, ultra wide, macro, and anamorphic lenses on the Hero 13 Black. On the right hand side, it shows you what you get, including the Enduro battery and some of the other things like a USB-C cable as well. And then again, some of the lenses you can purchase. On the back, we just have some more information about the GoPro Quick app and how you can use that most effectively with your camera. And then on the left-hand side, there's just some information about some of the features of the camera, including 5.3K 60 FPS recording or 4K 120. We've got 27 megapixel photos, 10-bit color, GPS, and more. So there's lots of features of this camera. And then on the top, there's just a little bit more information about the Hero 13 Black. So on the bottom, we do have this little pull tab that we can just open up to get into the camera. So we'll do that quickly now. Like so, and then I'll just open it up like so. So get this open, and then we can pull it out, and then we get this little package. So we'll put the rest of that to the side for now, and we'll have a look at this. So you can see on here it says GoPro. It's sort of upside down, I think, because you're supposed to open it up first. Let's see if I can get this open. You just pull it up from here. There we go. And then you can see here it is. It says GoPro there. And the first thing it says here is your camera must be updated before you can use it. So there's a little bit of information there. Little quick start guide on how to get the GoPro Quick app and some other things here. So that's really helpful. We've then just got a subscribe to get the most out of your GoPro little brochure. It shows you some of the things that are helpful there. And then some of the other important information there. Put that to the side. Got some GoPro stickers. So a bit like what Apple does in the box. They give you some GoPro stickers, so that's quite nice. We've got some tips for the best cold weather performance. So some information there about how you can use it in cold weather. And if you have any product questions, you can go to their website and get some frequently asked questions and the answers to those, and then just some basic information here if you really want to read through that. So having a look at what's inside, we've got the GoPro itself, which I'll just pull out there, covered in packaging. So I'll just put that to the side for now, and we'll have a closer look at that in a moment. We've also then got the USB-C to C cable, which is GoPro branded. We've got the Enduro battery, so should be able to just push that out of its packaging there. There we go. It says GoPro on it, and that's the Enduro battery that will power the entire GoPro. We've got the attachment for the mount, so you can see that here. It's got the GoPro logo on it, and that's where you screw in. Works for many of the different mounts, so that's good that that's included. We've also got then, I'm not actually quite sure what that is. That's got an adhesive on it. So might be another one for the mounts. And then we've also finally got the screw that allows you to screw into the mount. So you'll screw that into this piece, and it'll allow you to get the camera attached to some different mounts. So that's really helpful. So that's pretty much what you get in the box. So I'll put some of this stuff to the side for now. and we'll have a closer look at the GoPro itself. All right, so having a closer look at the GoPro Hero 13. Again, we've got this little thing that says your camera must be updated before you can use that. We can just peel that off like so. There we go. So we've got a little peel on that. And then we can just take off the outside wrapping. It might actually be easier just to pull it off the side. If I can do that. Yep, and we'll just pull that off the side. That's a bit easier. There we go. And then we can take the cover off the lens. And then likewise take the cover off the outer display. And there we go. So that's the GoPro Hero 13 itself. All brand new here. So taking a look around the camera, we can see we've got the front touchscreen display here with the GoPro logo and a little indicator light. On the top, we've got the capture button. On the right-hand side, we've got the area where you can open it up to put the battery into it. On the left-hand side, it says Hero 13 Black, and you've got the little mode button. On the bottom, we've got the area where you can pull these up to screw in your mounts. So, for example, when you put this on, you can put that in and then you can screw it in to any of the mounts that you need. And then on the back, obviously, we've got the outer display, the changeable lenses, and another GoPro logo. So that's really good. They give you a lot of things in the box with it, which is really helpful and definitely worth checking out if you want to attach lots of accessories to this thing, because it is a very modular piece of equipment. So yeah, that's pretty much the unboxing experience for the GoPro Hero 13 Black. Hopefully this video was helpful and it's given you a good idea of what the unboxing experience is like and some of the things that are included with it. Definitely recommend the GoPro series of action cameras. They're so versatile and you can do so much with them with all the many accessories. So it gives you a lot of options for cool action photography and things like that. So yeah, definitely recommend the product. I'll definitely leave a link in the description down below if you'd like to pick up a GoPro Hero 13 Black for yourself. And with that, thanks for watching this video on Unpacked Technologies. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.